G'day scrappers. Well, we're here to do a price check today, and we'll start off with scrap steel and we'll see how we go. Yeah, a lot of server cases today, so it should be a bit of weight. Let's do this. Alright, let's do this, hey? Okay. That's a lot of servers, huh? Okay, that's that one. Now we finish off this one. Couple microwaves, full. All right. Actually, looks like there's going to be quite a bit of weight for them servers. The servers obviously have been scrapped out. Just got fans in there and stuff. Obviously everything's scrapped. Okay, here we go again. Irony alley. Got copper wire and some regular alley. All right, just trying to get things done before it gets too hot. Over the next 3 or 4 days it's going to be very hot, so it's going to be hard to get the job done. Power supplies, I just throw them into Irony alley with the cable. If I take the cable off, then it's not Irony alley and just saves me time. All right, leave it with me, slowly. Okay, not a bad load. Okay, now a regular cable, good cable. Insulated copper wire. Sheet aluminium. It's all aluminium. Not very heavy, but it's okay. and quite a bit of wire. This is all wire from a college, electrical college. Good weight to it. Alright, just wait for the truck, get rid of the irony. Okay, well, got that all done, and yeah, so the first load was the pressing steel. I had over a ton, so that's unusual to fit over a ton in the van, and it still wasn't chock-a-block full, just had a lot of those empty servers that were quite heavy. So the current rate is 30 cents a kilo, or 300 a ton. Obviously on scrap steel there's a rubbish levy. But from that load there was 264, so 30 cents a kilo. I think all scrap metal prices have gone up at the moment, so things are looking really good. And for this one that I just finished, so obviously we had the copper wire, and there was 143 kilos. The rate is $4.45 a kilo. This is for me. So obviously you need to have a business to get that price, and I think I get a little special price. So it might be a little bit higher than others, not really sure. And it might be a little bit lower than some others that are real regulars that get a lot of it. So yeah, $4.45 a kilo for PVC copper. Plugs off, $6.36. And the sheet aluminium that I had, domestic aluminium, so it could also be pots and pans aluminium, pretty much anything aluminium. Only had 53 kilos, but it takes up, you know, as you can see, 53 kilos. I had a full bin and plus some sheets, so it takes up a lot of room just to, you know, so it's good to just empty the bin. But $2 a kilo for domestic aluminium, so that's pretty darn good. Yep, that's nice. So that was another 106. And then the irony alley, or some people call it dirty alley. Again, I had quite a lot here, tub full, so 212 kilos. Currently 85 cents a kilo, so a little bit higher. It was 80 cents a kilo a couple of weeks back, so it's gone up a little bit. It's not bad. It used to be $1 a kilo, so it's a lot less, but still 85 cents a kilo, so 180 bucks for that. Good enough. 922 out of the lot, so what did we get? About nearly 1,200 bucks for those 2 loads. So yeah, as far as the other prices go, I won't bother mentioning them here. What I'll probably do is in the description of this video, I'll put the whole list of prices. So if you're really interested in what the actual prices are here at Manhari in Tottenham, or my prices anyway, I'll put a full list. So look down in the description and of this video, and yeah, you'll see the prices there, so it'll be nice and easy. You can access that anytime if you want to reference to it. But yeah, so currently the your regular copper wire with plugs off, $4.45. That's about as good as it gets, but don't be surprised if things go up a little bit more. And especially with copper, all the coppers have gone up, so that's really good. And the pressing steel, well, that's, you know, is kind of about right. Some yards might even pay a little bit more, depending on if, you know, how much, you know, how desperate they are for scrap steel. But 30 cents less your levy, it's still okay. You know, mind you, for people like me, scrap steel is my byproduct of processing e-waste, so you know, to get 30 cents a kilo for my rubbish, you know, that's great. You know, I can't complain. You know, back in the day there were times when we were getting 4 cents and times when they weren't. Some scrapyards weren't even paying for scrap steel, so you're just basically taking it to them for free. So it's a totally different ball game. But non-ferrous metals, aluminium, copper, brass, all that, I'll put the prices down in the description, but they're all looking good. So maybe I've got a feeling that it's going to keep rising for a while, as things in the world are kind of, in, you know, most parts in the world are getting better, more productivity. So yeah, hopefully they keep going up for a while. All right, guys, that's it for this price update. I'm doing a bit of a clean up in the yard, just sorting a few things out here right now, and reorganizing. I'm putting all my bins out here in the driveway. So yeah, and also all my tubs are here too. So just want to clear up the back. Give me a chance. It's a mess here, I know, but I might have a couple of one really big pickup in the pipeline in the next few days, so that might be an interesting one. I think yeah, I've got an idea what it could be, and it looks awesome, and so hopefully I get that. Just got to clear off this. Yeah, only one bin here, still got to take out, and access to my garden. I've had bins here for ages, so yeah, the Great Wall of Cisco is kind of collapsed. I've got to get these done and get them out. They're just driving me crazy, and as some of you know, these are my storage boxes. That's just a quick catch up on scrap metal prices. As I said, if you want the full list, look in the description. All good.